So good morning students, myself Mahendra Saini, faculty from Civil Engineering Department. I would like to discuss this topic from Water Resources Engineering of Civil Engineering Department. Okay, so in last lecture we have studied about wooden dam or timber dam. So today we will discuss about the various classification of this wooden dam or timber dam. So there are three types of wooden dam. First one is a frame type dam. Second one is rock filled crib type dam, and third one is beaver type. Okay, beaver type frame. Beaver type wooden dam. So the one by one we will discuss. First one is a frame type. Okay, so what is a frame type? Which is built of timber and planks making the shape of English letter A. You can see in this diagram, this is similar to the English letter capital A. Okay, and the stability depends upon the weight of the water. Okay, and this weight comes on sills and sills and a deck to the deck of the dam. The sill is fixed to a rock by wedge bolts or anchor bolts for the proper anchoring. Okay, and the struts are fixed to the sills. As you are able to see, struts are fixed to the sills. Okay, and the position of these struts is kept in such a way by cross bracing and batten blocks. Okay, and the valves are then fixed on the struts. Valves. Okay, valves, you are able to see, these are the valves in this diagonal timber. Okay, valves are then fixed on the struts, and the whole structure is thoroughly pinned to form a band. Okay, and these bands are usually spaced 2 to 3 meter or 2 to 4 meter apart. It depends on the height of the timber. Okay, the transverse members called struts, and these members are placed across the bands. Okay, so this is about frame type of timber dam. Now we will move towards rock filled crib rock. Okay, you are able to see this picture. Okay, this is the rock filled crib rock. Okay, rock crib type dam. In this dam, cribs of timber members are bolted together in an alternate layer of members or spacers. Okay, and rock fragments are put in between them. The timbers members are generally generally of round or square sections, okay, and placed at a distance 2.5 meter center to center in both direction, and the bottom members of the crib are generally pinned to the rock foundation, and the space between various members is filled with rock fragments or boulders. So what is the purpose of this? To give stability, okay. So let's move towards our next timber type of dam. You can see the another timber type of dam, beaver type, okay. In this beaver type timber dam, it consists of a timber members of round sections forming a band, okay, and the butts of all the timber members point downstream, and spacers of logs are placed between the butts, okay. You are able to see these are wedge shaped butts which are bends in this way, okay, which are bends towards the upstream sides in a forming a center, okay, and spacers of logs are provided in between these butts, BUTTS, okay, butts, okay, and the butts, the spacers, spacers of logs are pinned or drift pinned to the other logs, okay, and the bottom members are fixed to the foundation to give stability with anchoring bolts. This process is known as anchoring, okay, and a plank is placed on the band to form a deck, okay. You are able to see this is a plank, have a shaded portion, shaded log, this is known as plank. Sometimes a mat made of the brushwood or branches of the tree is used as deck, okay. The upstream slope is not steeper than 2:1, and this type of timber dam used for very low height, okay. So this is all about our timber type of dam. Thank you. We will meet in next lecture with another interesting topic. Thanks.